To create a new project, we will click on the Launch button for the engine that we downloaded previously. Now we will wait for a few seconds for Unreal Engine to load. Then the Unreal Engine project browser will open. Because I have previously made projects, it will show me the Recent Projects tab. But if this is your first time opening the engine, it will show you the Games tab. Unreal Engine is used for more than just video games. It's also used for film, architecture, and many other things. But in our case, we're making a video game. So we'll go to the Games tab. Here, you'll see a couple of templates to start your first video game. In our case, we're making a third-person game, so we'll click on third person. Then we'll be presented with a few options. In our case, we're making a blueprint game, but if you're making a C++ game, you can also choose that. But we'll be choosing blueprints. Then, we choose the target platform. You can choose between desktop and mobile, and I would also call desktop being console. This will switch the settings for the controls and other things like that. For quality preset, you can choose between maximum and scalable. This is very useful if you're making a game for low-end devices, like mobile phones, in which case you need the settings to be lower spec hardware. In that case, you would choose scalable. But in our case, we're making it for PC, and we have high-end graphics, so we'll choose maximum. Lastly, there is an option for variant. This is a new feature for Unreal Engine 5.6, where you can choose which type of third-person game you're making. There are several options, like combat game, platformer game, side-scroller, or all of the above. In our case, we'll be choosing platforming. Then you can choose the project location. By default, it would show for you your PC Documents folder. You can choose to put it wherever you want. And lastly, you have to choose the project name. By default, it will always say My Project. And in our case, I'm thinking of calling the game Adventure Boy. And that's it. Then you'll just click on the Create button. Now Unreal Engine will create the project and prepare a bunch of different files, and so it will take a few minutes to load. When it's finished loading, you'll see that the project has opened and everything is ready for us to start working on. That's it for this lesson.